Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll explain from how to sign up for Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, to how to trade futures, in a very easy and simple way. If you sign up through the link below this video, you'll receive a 20% Binance fee discount bonus rewards, so please make sure to use the link. First, let me explain how to sign up for Binance. When you access Binance through the link below the video, you'll see the Binance sign up screen. Here, you can see that a 20% trading fee discount and various bonus rewards are provided. Please create your account using an email address or a mobile phone number. Check the box to agree to the terms below. Then click Continue. Please select the image that matches the word on the left. A verification code will be sent to your email or phone number, so please enter the verification code you received. Next, create a password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, and include at least one uppercase letter, lowercase letter, and number. If the inviter code input screen appears, please enter BB333. By entering this code, you'll receive a 20% Binance fee discount bonus rewards. So I highly recommend entering it before completing your registration. Once you've done this, your account creation is complete. Next, let's proceed with identity verification. To deposit, withdraw, and trade on Binance, identity verification must be completed. Since this process includes facial verification, we'll continue on a mobile phone. Download the Binance app on your phone. Open the Binance app, and log in using the account you just created. You'll be taken directly to the identity verification screen. First, please select your nationality. I'll select India. And proceed with identity verification. Please choose one of the following documents you have. I'll select passport verification. Select Take pictures to photograph your passport. Then click Continue. Now, align the passport photo page within the camera frame and take a photo. Make sure there is no glare or shadow. Next, let's proceed with facial verification. Follow the on-screen instructions, and perform the required actions step by step. The identity verification process is now complete. After about 1 hour of review, you'll see the status change to verified. Next, let's set up Google Authentication. Please return to the PC screen. Click Account in the left menu. Then click Security. We'll set up security using the Authenticator app. Click Manage. Then click Enable Authenticator app. A verification code will be sent to your email or phone number, so please enter the code you receive. A QR code pop-up will then appear. Now, download the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Open the Google Authenticator app, click the button at the bottom right, and select Scan a QR code. Then scan the QR code shown on the PC screen. A 6-digit Binance code will be generated in Google Authenticator. Now click Next on the Binance PC screen. Enter the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator into the app code field. Your two-factor authentication setup is now complete. Next, I'll explain how to do peer-to-peer trading on Binance. First, click the wallet icon in the top right corner. As you can see here, the Spot wallet is used for spot trading and holding your main assets. And the Futures wallet is dedicated to futures trading. First, click Spot. Then click Deposit in the top right corner. Then click Buy with USD Peer-to-Peer. Check the agreement box, and click Start Trading. To buy crypto, select Buy. And then select USDT. Compared to BTC or USD, USDT gives you the best rate overall. Here, select the currency you want to buy and enter the amount. Then choose the payment method. You'll then see a list of advertisers below. I recommend trading with advertisers who have a high number of orders, as well as high ratings and a high completion rate. Click Buy USDT next to the advertiser you want to purchase from. Please read the advertiser's terms carefully before making a purchase. Enter the amount you want to buy, then click Buy USDT. You'll see the advertiser's name, bank ID, and QR code. Before making the payment, carefully review the seller's chat messages. Please proceed with the deposit using your selected method. Then return to Binance. Click Transferred, notify seller. Upload and send at least one up to 3 proof of payment to the seller. Check the agreement box below, and click Confirm. After a moment, tap the wallet icon in the top right corner, and select Spot. Then, you can check that your USDT has been deposited. Next, I'll explain how to trade futures on Binance. To start futures trading, you must first transfer coins from the Spot wallet to the futures wallet. Click the Spot wallet, then click Transfer at the top right. Transfer from Fiat and Spot to USDM futures. Select the coin to transfer, enter the amount, and click Confirm. The coin will be successfully transferred to the futures wallet. Now, to start futures trading, click Futures in the top menu. Select USDM futures. You'll now see the futures trading screen. Click this button at the top left to select the coin you want to trade. On the right menu, you can configure futures trading in detail. Click this button to select margin mode. Cross uses your entire margin balance to open positions. Isolated uses only a portion of your margin to open positions. For beginners, I recommend the safe or isolated mode. Click this button to set the leverage. Leverage can be set up to 150x. Higher leverage increases potential profits, but also increases liquidation risk. For beginners, I recommend trading safely at 3x to 5x leverage. Next, click this button to set the order type. A limit order allows you to place an order by setting your desired price. A market order places an order immediately at the best available market price. Below that, you can check the available margin. Here, you can set the trading price and quantity. Finally, select position direction. If you expect the price to rise, choose buy long. If you expect the price to fall, choose sell short. Click the positions button below, and you'll see your open position. Entry price is the average price of your position. Mark price represents the current market reference price. If the price reaches the liquidation price, the position will be closed automatically. P&L shows your current profit and loss. Click the pencil icon next to TPSL for position, to set take profit and stop loss prices. Finally, to close your position, under the Market Close All button, select either Market or Limit to close your position. You will then see that the position has been closed. In today's video, I explained from how to sign up for Binance, to how to trade futures, in a very easy and simple way. If you have any questions or difficulties, please leave a comment, and I'll respond as quickly as possible. Your subscriptions and likes are a huge support for creating videos. Thank you for watching today.